Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn a new lesson in English. We have come to the Unit 5. The name of the lesson is Tenali Raman and the Thieves. You can see in the picture there in the first picture. In this lesson, we are going to learn about how cleverly he had protected his valuable things from the thieves. The lesson is all about the thieves and Tenali Raman. Before that, let us learn some hard words and the meanings from the story so that it will help you to understand the story better. The first word is Tenali Raman, the second sleeping, third veranda, fourth valuables, fifth word trunk, sixth watching, seventh vegetables, eighth shocked, ninth stealing, and the last one, 10th one is forgiveness. So these are the hard words of the lesson. Let us look into the meanings now. The first word is rustle. We'll come across the word in the lesson rustle. It means a soft crackling sound made by the movement of leaves. That means when a person steps on the dry leaves, that will make a sound, and that sound is called as rustle. The second word is valuable. Something which is of great worth means something which is very costly, like gold, silver. The third one is roaming. Roaming in the sense without any work, they'll be roaming here and there, they're moving here and there, traveling aimlessly, going to one place to another without any work. Now let us go to the lesson. There was a man called Tenali Raman who lived in a city along with his wife. One day he was sleeping at the veranda of his house, which is also called as the open place in front of a house. Suddenly he heard the noise of a bush rustle, which means that when a person steps on the dry leaves, it will make a sound, and that sound is called as rustle. So he understood that someone is hiding behind the bush in his garden. They are the thieves. Then he thought that he should teach them a lesson. After some time, he calls his wife and says that, "Dear, there are thieves roaming in the city nowadays. We must keep our valuables safe." After listening to her husband, she asks, "What shall we do now?" Then Raman said that, "I have an idea." After saying these words, he will go into his house and comes out with a big trunk box. And with the help of his wife, he threw the trunk box into the well of his garden and says that nobody can steal our belongings now. So that they were talking about all of these things between themselves. And whatever they have been talking was heard by these two thieves who are hiding behind the bush. Then one of the thieves said that when they are off to sleep, we will go and draw the trunk box from the well. As they said, they went off to sleep, and when they were asleep, these two thieves went near to the well and started drawing water from the well. And that water flowed into the garden where Tenali Raman had planted the vegetables. After many hours, the level of water was reduced. They pulled out the trunk. When they opened it, they were shocked to see only stones filled in it. There were no ornaments in that box, but they were stones. Then Tenali Raman came out and asked them, "Did you get any valuable thing that you are searching for?" When they heard the voice of Tenali Raman, they trembled with fear, and they did not run from there. Instead, they both asked him for forgiveness by catching his feet. What is the meaning of forgiveness? Forgiveness is nothing but say sorry. When you do something wrong, or if you disobey your parents, go to them and say sorry. That is called as forgiveness. When they asked him for forgiveness, for his forgiveness. He says that my valuables are safe in my house. I had only pretended, in the sense that I have only acted to throw them into the well. Then these two thieves told Tenali, "We have learned a lesson, please forgive us. We will never steal again from anyone." And then Tenali Raman says, "It's okay, I forgive you," said Tenali. "By drawing out the water from the well and watering my plants, you have earned my forgiveness," said Tenali Raman. So what can we learn from the lesson is, from the story is, do not steal. Whether it is a small or a big thing, don't you dare to steal, because it is not the correct way. The correct way of being a good child is to be honest always. So children, I encourage each one of you to be honest in everything you do. Now let us go into the grammar part. In the first section, match the words under column A with their correct opposites under column B. Healthy opposite, unhealthy, like that. So those are called opposites. Here are few opposites that have given in the lesson. We should match them with the correct word. First one is valuable. Valuable opposite, invaluable. Second one is hide. Hide opposite, show. Asleep. Asleep opposite, awake. Fourth one, reduce. Reduce opposite, increase. Fifth word, light. Opposite, heavy. Sixth one, everything. Everything opposite is nothing. Let us go to the next section, the missing letters. Fill in the missing letters. There are a few letters missing from some words. Fill in the blanks with correct letters to complete the words. That means you have to fill in the blank to complete one word. The first word is vegetables. The second word, plants need water. water. And the third one, tremble when they are scared. People tremble when they are scared. Fourth word, we should forgive. Fifth one, the thieves pulled out the trunk. The thieves were shocked to find stones filled in the trunk. The sixth one is filled. Let us go to the next section, that we have the question and answers. So the first question, where did Tenali dump the trunk? Tenali Raman dumped the trunk into a well in the garden. What did Tenali tell his wife after dumping the trunk? Answer is, Tenali told his wife that the thieves will never be able to find our valuables. The third question, what did the thieves find when they opened the trunk? When the thieves opened the trunk box, they found stones filled in it. The next section, the fill in the blanks again with the correct adjectives. Take the help of the pictures given alongside. By taking the help of the pictures, we should fill in the blank the correct adjective. The first one is Rakesh is a dash boy. Careful or careless. He was a careless boy. My shoes are old or new. The correct word is old. He is an old man. The fourth one is Tina is a tall girl. Let us go to the next section. Match the words under column A with their correct adjectives under column B. What are adjectives? Adjectives are nothing but describing words are called adjectives. For example, describing of a person, animal, thing. For example, I'll give a sentence. Rama is a girl. sentence. Rama is a good girl. Good is adjective because it is describing a girl. Correct adjective for sun is bright. The next word sky. Sky will be in blue color. It is describing the sky. The next tea. Tea is hot. Hot is the adjective of tea. Next word voice. Loud. Next word bicycle. The adjective of bicycle is rusty. Now let us go to the next section, which will help us to communicate with others. We should use the proper sentences when we talk to others. We can see here, listen to your teacher talk about some people who help us. Example, a policeman catches thieves. He will not treat the sick people. A doctor treats sick people. The next word, a plumber fixes broken pipes. The third one, a teacher helps student learn. The next section that we are going to is speaking and writing. Talk to your friend what you would like to become when you grow up. Write a few lines about it. I want to become a nurse. A nurse helps sick people. Like these sentences, you can make more of your own. Let us go to the next topic from the same unit. Riddles. Riddles for you. The first one is, I smell nice, I'm beautiful, I come in many different colors. You can pick me, but do not forget to water me. Who am I? That is a flower. Flower will be in different colors and in different shapes. The second one, children love to play with me. However, I'm not useful indoors. Don't get tangled with my string. Be careful. Watch me dance high up in the sky. Run and I'll fly above you. What am I? It's a kite. Fly kite in the sky. Next one is, I am a delicious treat. Lick me with your tongue. I come in a bowl or a cone. Hurry or I'll melt. What am I? Ice cream. I'm sure you'll also like ice cream. The last riddle. Take away my first letter. Take away my last letter. Take away all my letters, but I will still remain the same. Who am I? I'm a post box or mailman, any one of these. Now let us go to the meanings. The first word is indoors. Indoors means inside a house or building. We'll play some indoor games also inside the house, like caroms, chess. The next word is tangled. Twisted together untidily. The next section will read the words given below and find a rhyming word for each of them from the riddles. The first word is sick. You can write pick or lick. The second one is nice. Nice rhyming word is rice. Next word chance. Chance, dance. Fourth one bone, cone. Fifth word better, letter. Game, same. Let us go to the fill in the blanks in the next section. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the hint box. They have in the blue box. We just have to pick the correct word and write the word in the blank wherever it is necessary. The first word, a flower grows on a plant. What will grow on a plant? A flower. Next word, flowers come in many dash, many colors. The third one, dash love to play with kites. Who will love to play with kites? Children. The correct word is children. We cannot fly a kite indoors. Fifth one, dash come in bowls and cones. Ice cream. The last word, a postman delivers letters. Circle the adjectives. I have told you what are adjectives, which will describe a person, animal, thing, or a place is called an adjective. So let us see the first sentence. Rima is a good girl. So what is the correct adjective in the sentence here? Good. You should circle good. Next sentence is I have a dress. It is a common sentence. The correct adjective for this sentence is I have a pink dress. It's already given in the sentence. You just have to circle the adjective pink. The third one, my dog is smart. Smart is adjective here. A small bird has made a nest above my window. The adjective word is small. Fifth one, my grandfather has white hair. White is adjective here. Sixth word, I am a bright student. I am a bright student. Bright is an adjective. Last one, we are traveling on a fast train. What is adjective word here? Fast. We are traveling on a fast train. Go through the textbook. The answers are also given in the textbook. Read them and understand them. See you in the next class.